Hello everyone, my name is Sophia. Today I will show you how to reset the password of IntroNexus account. If you have forgotten your account password, then you can easily reset it by watching this tutorial. To reset the password, we have to visit the login page. Click on Login here. Click on Forget Password. Here enter your email address, the account of which you want to reset the password. Click on Submit Now. Now check the IntroNexus email in your email account inbox. If the email does not appear in the inbox, be sure to check it in spam. Now click on Reset Password. Here you enter your new password. Remember, you have to enter strong password. Confirm by entering your password again. And click on Save Changes. You will see a message of password reset successful. This means your password has been reset. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please like our video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.
IntroNexus. Speed that you deserve.